Here's an end of the day post-trade analysis of this trade that ran 400% in 16 minutes. I'm just a product of my teaching, and by doing this post-analysis, it helps me reinforce the teachings that I'm getting. I've been studying, practicing, and executing, failing, studying, practicing, and executing, failing, and I keep studying, practicing, and executing. Eric from Spydaytrading is my teacher, my mentor, and the highest level of teaching that I've ever received on day trading. Zero DTE SPY options or SPX options are the most highly leveraged instrument on the market. So you have to treat it with a lot of respect. This trade ran 400% return in 16 minutes. Here's a screenshot of the entries and the exits. Now I'm going to show you the context that I had for the day and what I was thinking and how I was thinking, how I'm taught to think. So early in the morning at 10:29 in the morning, the market dumped down to the moving averages, which was a beautiful dump. The blue algorithms, the teal algorithms were already identified by Eric in the morning, and he's already letting us know for any upsides, for any longs, you have to wait for the teal algorithm to build the liquidity, which never happened at 695 yellow. The bulls never reclaimed that. They were never able to close the cup, so we were in a bearish structure. So that's my context. And here's that same drawing just blown up. If you want to go long, you got to wait for the cups to close over yellow 695 and then to build structure if the bulls are going to be able to take this up. Now you'll see on the chart, the live chart, the morning price was in the teal algorithm and it broke out into a stronger selling blue algorithm where I took a really nice entry in the morning on the pullback to that teal algorithm and price went south. It was a really nice trade. Throughout the day, price started grinding up in the magenta algorithm, and you see this green line that I dotted across. This was the resistance level for the AM. You see the resistance right there, resistance. Price tried to break out, it came right back in. Tried to break out, came right back in. Now we're going to get to my trade, the 400% return. So now price is firmly between this pink magenta, a tighter range. I'm going to start the replay and show you, speak about what I was thinking. Again, the context is I'm going short. The bulls never reclaimed yellow 695. Price is now inside of that tight pink algorithm. It breaks out above that dotted green line, which was the resistance all morning. I expected it to act as resistance. And this is the yellow line is where the yellow circle right there is where I took my trade. Now I want to speak about my risk management. Since this was the previous high, 693.98, I took the trade at 693.74. So my stop loss was set right above that. So it is literally a 25-cent stop loss. So I have very tight risk management because I know if price is going to go above that, then my analysis, my thesis of this is going to be a short is invalidated. So I have a very tight stop loss. Now I'm expecting that to hold as resistance. So I took my entry at basically $8 per contract. And I closed the trade at $22.50 per contract. That's a 400% return. And this just happened in 16 minutes. There's the candles as they're breathing. And there's going to be a huge candle that drops right there. I had to act very fast. This is the 1 minute candle. It's a 1 minute chart. So this 1 minute candle, the exit has to be quick because as you can see, there was an engulfing green candle right after that. This is the teachings we're getting in SPY day trading. Follow, watch us, continue.